we've got a real interesting job coming up. We've been working on the design for a little while, coming up with some fun stuff for these clients. It's a real Waterland, combination of pond and koi pond and stream and swim pond and deck and fire pit. It's gonna be a real fun project, so let's take a look at this design. Here, our plan view. Get an idea of what's happening here. This is out the back door. It's our covered porch, kitchen area where it's labeled house. We're going to put on this deck, which is going to overhang this swim pond. Maybe, I believe, a 16 by 32 swimming area outlined in the wooden box. Swim up steps to a bit of a beach area and a patio space. And we drop down a slope here, and this koi pond is going to be down a full floor in the house. So this is a lower exit to the house, out the door over here. And we'll have streams and waterfalls and stone steps and gardens, and a little fire pit area down at the bottom of the screen. We're going to run this as two separate systems between the koi pond as far as the pumping and filtration from the swim pond. Just ease of flow dynamics and keeping the koi waste separate. The client's going to end up with quite a bit of fish in this pond, so just to help visualize, I like to get some 3D drawings done. That'll be a view from the fire pit up to the house. Your beach area, bit of a top down, get an idea of what's actually happening here. What else do we have on there? There we go, get an idea of the whole concept. A few things may change along the way, but let's see if we are able to pull this off. So, wish us luck. Okay, we've got machines ready to roll on a new job here outside of Brantford, Ontario. Gonna be turning this lovely spot in front of us into a beautiful little koi pond. Waterfall and stream going up this hill. Nice set of stone stairs and boulder retaining and gardens. Gonna lock all this together. Expecting this one to be quite spectacular. See the family porch area, dining room and living rooms right above with a big view of everything. Wood shop down below to sit and work and look out at the feature. Then up top here, which will be happening later, we're gonna have a big swim pond out in this whole open space here. The deck overhanging, a little beach entry off in the distance in that far corner. It'll be quite the spectacular yard when it's all said and done, and we can't wait to see it happen. Stay tuned. Here we are again. Machines are gone, grass is gone. Getting awfully close on this project. Mike and the gang doing a fantastic job. This beautiful, well, soon to be beautiful koi pond. Bottom draw, sidewall returns, big beautiful waterfalls, double stream with a split island in the middle. Gonna lead you up these rock steps. Let's take a little walk back, and it's been a while since we had a video on this one. It was just, can't quite remember, so see how it's turned out. Here's our lower koi pond. Filled in to lettuce and hyacinths. Your fish darting around. A little bit of dye in the bottom, in the pond, help keep the light down a bit. Still a pretty young pond, but it's starting to find a balance. The bare liner bottom makes it easy to clean. If with that many koi pooping away, 2 bottom drains and a skimmer, pulling to an external pump and bead filter with a UV, which has not been on yet. Beautiful oversized flagstone patio area planted up with mosses and thymes and sedums and all kinds of little interesting details. Really make a cool space. Here, split waterfall across this way by that little gargoyle. A shot coming down here, an island in the middle. Follow our way up the stream. Starting point under the bridge. And this year's project to finish the picture. It's the swim pond. This has been up and running for 6 weeks or so. Plants are still young. Get our string algae, which gets removed regularly. Pretty common, especially in a younger pond. Our swim upstairs to our internal wall. It's all a bare liner in the swim zone for ease of cleaning. And 2 helix skimmers on this pond. See how they work. Quite impressed. Do a review on those on their own. A bubbling rock with its own valve. This has a variable speed pump as well. It's on low speed right now. A jet return to a sidewall return to the flagstone entry. Up onto this deck to allow some entry into the pond. 6 feet deep. You can see to the bottom, but there's nothing to really stand out down there. Very interesting, the wrinkles in the liner that you can see, and if you don't know better, actually the client just told me they had a friend over who thought it was one giant piece of stone on the bottom, and that those were the striations and veins in the stone, a big piece of stone. So that's pretty cool. I like the bare liner for ease of cleaning, that's for sure. A lot of sludge and debris can build up in these ponds, and a rock bottom, not an easy thing to clean. Our air jet returns. We have 5 of those in this pond. And another entry out of the deep end, the ladder, to some steps. Custom deck. Leads us back down the steps. The stone slab steps. Back to the koi pond. Feature we missed. The evening fire pit zone. The rustic flagstone. The lower seating area. As I tend to say, not a bad place to hang out.